I have eyes on the vehicle.
Alright, copy. On its 3, I'm just gonna check this little shopping center here quickly and see if I don't see it yet. One at 3, stand by for me. I might have eyes. Stand by for me. It might be heading your direction. Stand by. Alright, vehicles heading your direction. Vehicles heading your direction from behind. Louis Trichardt coming up, going to go out now. One at 3, vehicles coming out, yeah, behind you guys, turn around. Vehicles here by the SAPS officer. Behind you and Dries. It's this one. I picked him up coming out now. Something said to me, just check from behind.
Okay, show us your hands, guys. Alright, the reason we're stopping you, we are with the anti-hijacking unit. This car is reported as a wanted car. Alright, do you know anything about that? Nothing. Nothing. Yo. Okay, ek gaan hom presenteer van my kant af. I'm going to search you. Just come to the front of the vehicle for me. My friend, come to the front of the car, please. Goed.
From where? Come on from where? Where you from? Where you from? Where were you coming from? You're coming from that.
This car is, it's reported. Wait, this car is reported as wanted. Whoa, my man, stand there. Okay, white Aveo. 4660, plate number, desk info 2201, 31, okay, so all of this is fine so long. Alright, the car is reported. What? Let me show you.
Stolen.
I'm going to try to help you, but you must help me also.
Okay, so
Okay. Yeah, just be calm. Just be calm. That's all. Just be calm. Yeah, the police say they want this car.
No problem. No problem.
But you say you come from Berea.
Yeah, we're looking for the part.
The what?
For the part.
What part?
For the another shift.
Okay, so what do you guys do for a living? What is your job?
Self-employed.
Okay, you see, there's your car, that one there.
Mm-hmm.
See, that one is the car. Now it says to us, this car, they are looking for this car. So I'm going to give you the details now.
Yeah.
Do you ever been to Wonderboompoort? Do you know about Wonderboompoort?
I don't know.
You don't know Wonderboompoort? They by Wonderboompoort, they are saying to us, the police from Wonderboompoort, they are looking for this car.
Okay, Tukwala.
Positive. Right.
No problem.
Yeah, still wanted. Alright, yeah. So at the moment, guys, I want you to take the vehicle to the side. One of you. The other two of you, you are the driver, ne? Don't run, okay? So no, I'm just saying. What I want you to do is go and sit against the wall there for me. Just go and sit right down there, yeah. Do you have any ID with you, my friend? Nothing. That is always a worry, you know, when you find a guy, no wallet, no nothing, huh?
Traffic only my child break it now.
Can you? Have you got your ID? You don't carry it with you. Okay. My friend, where's your driver's license, please? You have no driver's license? You don't have one? You only have a birth certificate? So you haven't got a license?
No, my ID banned by my cook.
Okay, so you have no driver's license? Okay.
Short.
Yes. Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. It is still wanted. No, he says he's got nothing. Only a birth certificate. All right.
The unique code used in serious crime. Commission of serious crime. Okay. The unique code version used in a serious crime.
Yes. Yeah. Yes, Wale. Fingerprints, please.
Introducing Southern Africa's leading and fastest growing security solution provider. Coupled with a growing national network of strategically placed cameras and a variety of partners across many different industries, all number plates that pass snipers' cameras are recorded and cross-referenced. All vehicles listed as suspicious or wanted create an immediate alert. The vehicle is stopped and the suspect apprehended. Join forces with us in combating crime today. Contact the SNIPR Team for more information.